Oh, it's time to get the bike ready. We have waited for a few rainy days and we're itching a ride. Now, almost all the work we've done on this bike over the past 5 years is on our channel, Windy Space U. And what we always try to share is the enjoyment of working on motorcycles and the enjoyment of taking rides on them. And today we're going to take a ride. And the only thing we're waiting for is our cup of coffee, take a look at the plants, and get on the road. So we had to make this a kind of short ride today. It was cloudy all day. We ducked some rain. 5 minutes of rain in the whole ride. But we got a special day coming because our grandson Miles is coming over and we're going to make an ice cream cake. A belated birthday for Grandpa Windy ice cream cake. And we did plenty of free samples. He's on his way over here already, so I got to put the bike away. Miles, look, we're going to make an ice cream birthday cake. We have 3 different flavors of ice cream.
Here, come here,
and pizzillies. Got to wash your hands first.
Wash your hands first because you don't want to get dirty.
That's right. So the first thing is we're going to watch the directions how to make the cake.
No, that's... Ooh, ice cream.
Now a little amount.
That's pretty low.
Okay, 1 free sample. Just to make sure this is good. How's that? First thing, Miles.
Lower the volume.
Miles, first thing we got to put pizzillies in the bottom of the cake pan.
Grammy, why didn't you lower the volume?
I didn't want to eat.
Okay, so the whole bottom of the pan is now pizzillies. You approve of that? But look. Okay, now we have a whole layer of 3 different flavors of ice cream. Now what's the next step here,
We lost
Grammy?
it. We lost it.
She lost the rest. We'll have to make it up as we go along.
The reason we lost it is because you made...
Is this a free sample of pizzillies? We got to put a layer. What are you going to put, the caramel on there? Okay, caramelize it. Oh my goodness, Miles, this is going to be some cake. Wow. Okay, now you put more pizzillies. Another layer of pizzillies?
No. You have to put some...
Oh God, more sauce.
And some salt.
So now we've covered up the ice cream with pizzillies.
This is the same free sample just with chocolate.
Okay. Don't forget you got to clean all the bugs off the motorcycle for me later. A second layer of ice cream. Oh, this is looking better and better, Miles. You better wax that motorcycle for me later. Wow. So now you know the free sample, the what is that?
Careful, careful.
Caramel? Or?
I'll hold it. I'll hold it.
There it is. This is going on the floor. Okay, now what's next? The cones? Oh, the salt for the salted caramel? Ooh, oh. Okay, you got to do the cones. How many cones we got? 12?
They tell you...
You're not going to use 12.
Yeah, you use 12.
Carefully now. Don't break them. Put them all around. Now, you got to push it down just a little bit. How long you working ice cream parlor here?
I know. I haven't been in an ice cream parlor.
Straighten them out. They're all crooked.
That's okay. One more in the middle.
Of course, there's has to be one in the middle.
Oh my God.
For 5. Ah, is that 2?
Put one here, please. I'm not giving you any money here. Give me this. Okay.
Okay, one more?
Put one there, and that's it.
That's it. We're done.
There you go. Now, 6 hours from now.
Ice cream cake.
Is that good? All the ice cream that's left over, I guess we can have for dessert tonight. Isn't it fun having a birthday? Wow. So while the ice cream cake is freezing, it takes 6 hours. Just want to say thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Our winter projects are coming up very soon. And we're going to ride every day we can. And thanks for watching.